face in silk with a serpent smile, whispers sweet deals in a crooked aisle. Cards on the table, but the rules are bent. You play for love, she plays for rent. It's a dangerous game, hearts on fire, dancing on wires, dressed in desire. One wrong step and the mask will fall, but still we play, we risk it all. Every move, a mirror maze, truth disguised in velvet haze. You think you're winning, but the stakes are souls, not coins in this charade. It's a dangerous game, hearts on fire, dancing on wires, dressed in desire. One wrong step and the mask will fall, but still we play, we risk it all. Men in suits with blood on pens, signing futures they'll never defend. A child cries out in a silent war while they toast peace behind closed doors. In the temple of doubt, I knelt alone, prayed to gods carved out of stone. But the voice I heard was mine reborn, saying even light can be battle worn. It's a dangerous game, truth or lie. We gamble dreams beneath the sky. One wrong word and the towers shake, but still we play for freedom's sake. So count your scars like sacred beads. Each one is a testament to broken creeds. We dance through fire, we laugh through pain. In this dangerous game, nothing's in vain. It's a dangerous game, hearts on fire, dancing on wires, dressed in desire. One wrong step and the mask will fall, but still we play, we risk it all. So hold me close when the night is deep. We'll keep on playing, no promises to keep. With every glance, we ignite the flame. In this dangerous game, love knows no shame.
This dance is called Dangerous Games, choreographed by Maggie Gallagher and Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, step right foot forward, pivot half turn left, quarter turn left, right foot side, and fan your left toes out. Now you're facing 3, left foot, behind side cross, right foot, nightclub basic, side, behind cross, left diagonal 130, left foot Dorothy, step, lock, step. Section 2, right foot rock forward and scoop your right arm up, recover, lower your arm, half turn right, step right foot forward, facing 730, half turn right, step left foot back and hit your right foot, half turn right, right foot forward, sweep your left, make a 1/8 left to 6 o'clock, cross side, heel to the left diagonal, ball cross side. 1/8 left, cross, facing 430. Section 3, left foot, rock forward, recover, side rock, recover, 1/8 right, behind, quarter turn right, forward, forward, facing 9. Right foot, forward, tap left foot behind, left foot back, kick your right foot back, drag your left foot, rock back, recover. Last section, walk forward, left, right, chase half turn, left foot forward, pivot half turn right, forward, facing 3. Right diagonal, lock step, step, lock, step, left diagonal, lock step, step, lock, and pop your left knee forward. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. In the stance, there's a restart on wall 5. You will dance 20 counts, then restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with counts starts facing 12 o'clock. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is the end of 20 counts. Now restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.